This summer has already turned out to be pretty eventful, and one of the biggest things happening right now is obviously the 2026 World Cup. What's interesting is that this year it's not just about the matches themselves. There's also a growing crypto component being integrated into the whole experience, and that's something I've been paying attention to quite a bit lately. Anyway, I've been testing different blockchain technologies, DeFi platforms, and crypto ecosystems for more than 10 years now. So in this video, I want to take a look at one of the official ways to get involved, follow the tournament as it unfolds, and submit predictions for every match directly through the platform. And before getting into how the whole system works behind the scenes, I always prefer starting with the practical side first. In my experience, the technical implementation usually says a lot about how seriously a platform was built. So, the first step here is authorization. Right on the main page, there are several connection options available. I'll use the one that's most convenient for me. All right, that's connected. Wallet is linked successfully, and I can see my address displayed at the top of the page now, which means everything is working as expected so far. And right away, I get access to the full list of official matches scheduled through the remainder of the tournament. Everything is organized pretty clearly. There are filters for different categories, and further down, there's a separate section with matches that have already been completed along with their final results. Okay, so for this example, I'll open one of the upcoming matches that's taking place in the next few days. So on this page, there's a detailed overview of the event, participating teams, available prediction options, and the current multipliers associated with each possible outcome. Further down, there's a more extensive list of available scenarios, along with the values assigned to each selection. I'll choose the option I'm interested in here. And after that, it returns me to the calculation panel. From this section, I can select the token I'd like to use, specify the amount, and it recalculates projected results based on the parameters I've entered. Okay, everything appears to be configured correctly, so I'll confirm the operation, and at this point, protocol begins processing the transaction, and a few seconds later, the position is successfully registered. So now the entry is visible in the dashboard, and once the match reaches its official conclusion, information associated with my position will update automatically. Any resulting changes will be reflected directly in the connected wallet without requiring any additional actions on my side. And after that, the same process can be repeated for any of the remaining fixtures on the schedule, simply choosing the next match, selecting a prediction, and tracking the results as the tournament continues. So, from what I've seen here, this app feels stable. The process is straightforward and the underlying mechanics are easy to follow, without sacrificing transparency. And more broadly, it feels like another example of how major international events and blockchain technologies are gradually moving into the same digital space, which is probably a trend we're going to keep seeing a lot more of in the years ahead.